flushing a 20-year-old water heater. Look how much dirt is coming out. That is dirty water. Hopefully it gets cleaner and cleaner. I'll show you the hot water heater. I just attached this to here and turn this, and it started coming out. So let's see how much cleaner it's going to get outside. Hopefully it's going to get clearer and clearer. Starting to get clear. Let's keep running it and see how much comes out. You definitely see it's getting clearer. Keep running it. Ooh, look at that. Spurts of very dark. A lot of dirt coming out. It's been about 2 minutes. I'm going to keep flushing it.